Hello everyone, and today we are talking about this unique travel trailer from the inside to the outside. And now you see is the trailer's interior design and the interior equipment. So let's start from the table here. And this is a liftable table. You can manually lift it, and also there is a induction cooker. This is a 12-volt air conditioner, only in freeze function. By the air conditioner, there is a carbon monoxide alarm, 3 stainless steel hooks, and as you see, there is a wall by the air conditioner. You can put a TV on it. So we have a customer make it before, and you see we have the aluminum alloy anodized sandblasting for the frame material of the inside with the waterproof. As you see, we are using the pop-up tent. The pop-up tent, we are using high density material for the waterproof, and you see there is a handle. You can drag down the pop-up tent very easily. Actually, if you are not much taller, then you can put a chair and then you can drag down easily. And also you see here, see the wall material of the trailer. We are using the leather wall material, and the door we have a wood material, solid wood with oil painted. It's top quality inside. And also you see here, I'm sitting in the roundable sofa. This is the entertainment area, and in front of me, and there is a window. The window we are using double layer hollow acrylic, and also we have a bug proof and screen for privacy protection. The window is 50 width, so an adult person can go out from the window safely. So you see in front of me, this is the expansion bed. The expansion bed can sleep 2 person there, 2 teenagers, or even 2 adults with the height under 1.8 meter. We also have a on-camper refrigerator, only freeze function, 40 liter capacity. We can customize a 50 liter capacity refrigerator with dual function. Now I'm sitting here. This is the kneaded mattress. So let's take a look at this fabric. This is a 4 material cushion kneaded mattress. So let's move. And now you see I'm sitting at the expansion bed, so you can take a look from this view.
This is a queen size bed after lifting the liftable table in the middle.
And we are using the teak floor, the teak solid floor. It's the top quality floor. So let's take a look at the restroom first. And the ventilation, you see the stainless steel one is the ventilation. We have a portable toilet on camper and a hot shower monitor, the water heater monitor, and also there is a sink, and the faucet can be easily retractable. There are 4 stainless steel hooks also as this unique feature. You see this is a solid wood, not a combination one. So the quantity you can check it. Stainless steel hooks, also very unique. So let's go out. Let's go outside. And this is the control panel. We have a diesel heater, Plato version diesel heater, 2000 watt inverter, water tank display, and a 350 watt solar panel on top of the roof. Let's take a look from the exterior. Let's go to see from the hitch area first. So in this view, you can see the side tent. So how can we see this side tent? So you can check as an example. For the regular customer who already buy this trailer, so you can do it the same as we do here. See here, 3 stainless steel poles to strengthen this waterproof material, and this is the backside of this material. High density nylon material, and also there is a stripe. So this stripe just fixed here, fixed from the front hitch area. Then the side tent is fully established. Also, we have structures inside. You can see here. This is the structure. This is the hitch area. Hitch US standard 7-pin and US spherical ball coupler and manual brake, 1000 jack. So we can customize. If you are from European, so you can remove this to install the EU standard brakes and hitch. This is the water tank at this side. Let's take a look. It's very smooth because we're polishing the surface and doing the surface treatment before painted. So let's go through quickly. We have introduced this before, so we here just have a quickly introduction. A pair of stainless steel support back, a full-size off-road flow forming aluminum ring, and 40 litre capacity in total, waterproof aluminum alloy toolbox. And this is a rear luggage. You can customize a rear luggage cover with hydraulic design, and this is a solar panel on top of the trailer. You can have a look here. And also you can have a look for the side tent. Let's take a look at the chassis. Independent suspension system, and this is the chassis. Water tank is underneath, and also we have a sheet metal to protect the water tank from the storms while you are driving the trailer. At this hatch, the gel battery and coolant counter. So let's take a look from this view. Let's take a look from the top view. high density nylon material for the side tent, 3 meter by 3 meters, and it can cover the slide out cooking area. So this is the trailer's fully introduction. Thank you for guys watching. So if you have any questions, leave the comment. In the previous videos, we have more introduction on it. Thank you so much again.